this program we have used the C library function scanf in order to take two integer numbers from the keyboard. When we execute this program, the program is going to ask the user to enter two integer numbers, and when the user provides two integer numbers from the keyboard, they are taken by the scanf function at line number 9. And scanf function assigns the first integer value to the variable x and the second one to the variable y, as we have supplied the address of x here and the address of y here. And we have used the format specifiers here as %d, so the scanf is going to formatize the inputs to the integer format. Now at line number 11, we are just printing the content of the variable x and y. So here we go. I'm just running the program to show you the output. It is asking for the integers, and I'm providing 56 and 79. So it's printing back 56 and 79. Now the program has been changed. I have introduced a variable I, which is of type integer, and I is assigned with the return value of scanf. You can see it here. Can I just predict the output of this program right now, as we have printed the content of I here? Now what I is going to contain? That means what scanf is going to return on successful completion. Now if you go through the documentation of scanf, it states that on successful completion, scanf returns the number of values that is scans from the keyboard. So here scanf is scanning two values from the keyboard. So on successful completion of this, it's going to return 2. Had we used the scanf to take 3 values from the keyboard, then it would have returned 3. So in this case, it's going to the content of I is going to be 2 here. I'm executing the program to show you the output. Here you go. I'm giving 67 and 89. You can see that the variable I is printing 2 here. I'm again running the program to show you that if I supply some more values, the scanf is taking only the first 2 values, and again it is returning 2. So remember that scanf function returns the number of values that is scans from the keyboard successfully.